Today we have the 2021 Toyota Hilux. This vehicle has done just over 40,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the back of the vehicle, we can see that this is a crew cab. It has 5 seats in total, all of which are black leather. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic headlights. On our touchscreen we can access navigation, audio, smartphone integration, apps, information and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, 3 different driving modes to choose from, hill descent control and heated seats.